A small country, yet the brightest stage for the world's most luxurious lives. And the people who live here, their mornings begin in a way completely different from ours. Supercars line the street like jewelry on display, because here, the ordinary is already extraordinary, and her car, a fully custom masterpiece designed exclusively for her. Look at this woman. She moves as if she just stepped out of a fashion magazine cover. Her walk, her style, her aura, everything shines with quiet elegance and unshakable confidence. The moment the engine roars to life, the streets of Monaco awaken once again. She heads toward Monte-Carlo, a place where every corner feels like a movie scene. A massive yacht waits at the port ahead. Another name for pure luxury is Monaco's Port Hercules.